In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online 2026. Exporting your chart of accounts is a quick way to get a clean snapshot of every account in your company file, including names, types, and numbers. It's handy for audits, migrating data, sharing with your accountant, or simply backing up your records in a familiar spreadsheet format. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, sign into QuickBooks Online using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company file before you proceed. You'll see the main dashboard once you're in. Next, look to the top right of the screen for the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the tools and settings you'll use behind the scenes. Click that icon to open the menu. From the menu, choose Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of your accounts, assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Think of this page as the master list that powers your financial statements. On the Chart of Accounts page, find and click the Run Report or the Reports link. Depending on your view, it may say Run Report or simply Reports, but both take you to the same place, the Account List Report. This report formats your chart of accounts into a report view that's ready to export. It typically shows account names, types, detail types, numbers, and whether the accounts are active. Now, click Export. You'll usually find the export option near the top right of the report view. When you select it, QuickBooks prepares your file and begins the download. Your file will download as an .xlsx spreadsheet, which opens in Excel and most spreadsheet apps. Look for it in your browser's Downloads bar or your computer's Downloads folder. The file name often includes account list and the date, making it easy to identify. Open it to review the contents. Columns typically include account name, type, detail type, number, and other key attributes. Editing this spreadsheet won't change anything in QuickBooks, so it's safe to annotate for review or share with your team. If you plan to send it to an accountant, consider saving a copy in a secure location and labeling it clearly with the period and company name. If the download doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up or download permissions and try again from the report screen. And that's it. Sign in, gear icon, chart of accounts, run the report, export, and your .xlsx file is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and keep that financial data organized and accessible whenever you need it.